Texas, Montana, Washington? What's that?
Sand sculpture on the beach.
Cool.
The Arts Festival. The Arts,
Oh, nice.
Music Festival.
Very cool. So do you guys travel around a lot? I assume you travel around a lot and do this? Cool.
It's the first time we've worked together as a team, I think, but we've competed against each other and we're like one.
Oh, very cool. Is this your first time to Alabama?
No, I actually did a job up in Huntsville one time.
That's where we're from.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't think it was exactly in Huntsville, another town, but close to there.
Cool.
First time on the Gulf Coast in Alabama. So that's
Pretty, isn't it?
pretty cool,
Yeah.
yeah. Very nice.
Well, welcome.